Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Science Flash. Today we are going to start with first chapter of biology, that is life processes. Firstly, we'll discuss about the definition of life processes, that what are life processes. All the processes which keep the living organisms alive and perform the job of body maintenance are called life processes. Nutrition, respiration, transport, excretion are various kind of life processes. Now we'll discuss what is nutrition. It is the process of intake of nutrients and its utilization. हमारी body nutrients को ले रही है और उनको utilize कर रही है, that is called as nutrition. Now what are nutrients? They are organic or inorganic substances obtained from surroundings and they are used as a source of energy. Like carbohydrates, vitamins, fats, minerals, they are the various nutrients present in our diet. Modes of nutrition. There are two modes of nutrition. Number one is autotrophic nutrition. Then we have heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is a mode in which organisms can prepare their own food, and those organisms are called as autotrophs. Number two is heterotrophic nutrition. It is a mode of nutrition in which organisms cannot make their own food and they depend on others for their food, and the organisms are called as heterotrophs. Autotrophic nutrition in plants. This is very important topic for an exam point of view. Organisms which carry out this mode are called as autotrophs. Green plants and blue-green algae follow this mode. This process is fulfilled by the intake of carbon dioxide and water and goes to form C6H12O6, that is glucose, carbohydrate, 6 water, 6 O2. This is the equation for photosynthesis, and this process occurs in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll pigment. Photosynthesis, the process by which green plants prepare their own food, is called as photosynthesis. During this process, the solar energy is converted into chemical energy. Green leaves are the main site for photosynthesis, and green portion of the plants contain pigment called as chlorophyll. So the raw materials for photosynthesis are sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water. There's a question in your mind that from where the water comes and carbon dioxide comes. Water comes from the soil and carbon dioxide comes in the leaves through stomata. What are stomata? They are the tiny pores present on the lower surface of leaves. This is the structure of stomata. This is stomatal pore and it is guarded by cells called as guard cells. Opening and closing of stomatal pore is guarded by guard cells. There are two functions of stomata mainly. Number one is exchange of gases, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide during the process of photosynthesis. Then another one is loss of water, that is transpiration. Heterotrophic nutrition, the process in which organisms cannot prepare their own food and they depend on others for their food. It is further of three types: saprophytic nutrition, holozoic nutrition, parasitic nutrition. Now we'll discuss about saprophytic nutrition. It is a kind of nutrition in which organisms derive their nutrients from dead and decaying organic matter, such as rotten leaves, dead animals present in the soil. And such organisms are called as saprophytes, for example fungi and bacteria. Then we have parasitic nutrition, in which organisms derive their nutrients from other living organisms. Means they can live on the body of other living organisms or they can feed on body parts of living organisms. Such organisms are called as parasites, for example ticks, cuscuta. Then we have holozoic nutrition. In this, digestion happens inside the body of organism. Most of the animals follow this nutrition. In next video, we'll discuss about holozoic nutrition in amoeba.